In this video, I'll show you how to set up your site to connect with Twitter. After you log in to the OneAll website, you'll be directed to the dashboard, this page right here, where you'll see your site in the sites box. To get started, click on the Setup Social Networks link. On the next page, click on Twitter from the block of providers. Then scroll down and click on the Setup Mock Website 123 for Twitter. This button says Mock Website 123 because that's the name I gave my OneAll site. Your button will have the name of your OneAll site. So I'm going to click on this button, and then all I have to do is simply follow these steps to register my application. And notice that this is part 1 of 2 in the process. The first step is easy. Either sign into your Twitter account or create a new account. If you already have a Twitter account, click on the Twitter developer link in step 2, and that'll take you to the Twitter developer page. You don't need to have a special Twitter developer username. Simply sign in with your regular Twitter username. I'm going to sign in with my Twitter name. On the next page, click on the Create a New Application button, and that'll bring you to this page with these 4 fields. A field for a name, the description, the website, and a callback URL. And you can get all these details back in the OneAll website from step 3. So I'm going to copy the name by right-clicking and copy, going back in Twitter, and I'm going to paste the name here. And note that this doesn't really have to be the OneAll name. You can use another name as long as it's 32 characters max. If for some reason the name in step 3 here is already taken, feel free to fill in any name you like here. So I'm going to go back and copy the description from step 3 and paste it into the description field on Twitter. Go back and do the same thing for the website name. Right-click copy and right-click paste. It's all a matter of copying and pasting. I'm going to copy the callback URL, paste it into the field. Then scroll down and read the developer rules of the road. And if you agree with the rules of the road, click on the Yes, I agree button here. And then scroll down and fill in the capture phrase. I'm going to fill in my capture phrase. And click on the Create Your Twitter Application button. In the next page, under the Open Authorization settings, copy the consumer key. So I'm going to copy, I'm going to double click here, right click and copy, and then paste it back into the first field in step 5 in the OneAll website. Go back to Twitter and then copy the consumer secret and paste it into the second field of step 5. And then click on the number 6 button here that says click here to validate your Open Authorization settings. So I'm going to click on that, and that takes me to part 2 of the setup, which will ask me to go back to the Twitter page and then scroll up and click on the settings tab. And then I'm going to scroll down to the application type and set the application type to read and write. And the reason for this is because write access is required to use the OneAll sharing features. And then scroll down and click on the Update this Twitter application settings button. And then back in the OneAll website, click on the step 5 button, which reads, click here to register your application. And that's it. As you can see, my application is registered. And that's all there is to it. If you follow these steps, your users will be able to leave comments on your site using their Twitter account.